Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can link Wix to Shopify. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on Wix.com. So the first thing that you need to do guys is open a new tab and then search for cart to cart. Once you do that, hit enter and then click on the first link. And after that, you're going to be here in this page. So once you're here, first of all, you need to log in to your account, or if it's the first time, you need to create your account. So just click on try it for free, and then you can create your account. So I'm going to log in. And then once you log in, you're going to be right here. So the first thing that you need to do, guys, is click on create a new migration here in the top right. And after that, just wait for the page to load. Then you're going to be right here. Once here, first of all, you need to select the source code. So for example, if you want to migrate your Wix site to Shopify, go ahead and select Wix here in the first option. And then what you need to do, guys, is paste the source store URL for your Wix store right here. And then go to API token and add your Wix API token. If you want to find your Wix API token, just go to your Wix account settings. And then once you're here, just go to the left side and click on API keys in the bottom, and then click on generate API keys. After that, copy your key and then go back right here and paste it here in this box. And then here, it's going to be the target card setup. So here, select Shopify and then add your Shopify store URL right here. And then click on choose entities. So just follow the steps until you're able to migrate your Wix site to your Shopify site. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.